is this is asking which graph has the slope. So you have y equals mx plus b. Okay, so you have y, which is the value of y, mx is the slope times x, plus b, which is the y-intercept. So looking at that right there, y equals mx plus b, you see m, or the slope, is -3, right? You see the first equation? Circle the -3. No, not the, well, okay, you can circle the whole thing, but circle the negative also. So the slope is going to be -3. That means it's going to go down 3 and over to the right 1. Can you scroll down? So, all right. So they want you to, oh, I don't know why they showed you the others. Let's go back up. Oh, because you got to match them. That's why. All right. So that means the one straight across from it, right, has a -3 slope. For anybody tuning in, we're doing the slope intercept of the of a slope intercept formula. Um, y equals mx plus b, where y, the m stands for slope and the b stands for the y-intercept, or where it hits the y-axis. Okay, y equals 1/2 x take away 3. So for the, okay, so you draw a line straight across. Okay, yeah, perfect, good. All right, and the next one is y equals 1/2 x take away 3. So for the second one, 1/2 is the slope. So circle 1/2. So that's the slope. So that's the third one down, right? Where it says slope 1/2. See where it says slope 1/2? Right. Perfect. Okay, the third one is y equals x. So there is no coefficient on it, so we assume the coefficient is 1. So that's going to go down to the last one. The y inter b is gone, so b must be 0. So take that down to there, right? Okay, y equals 1 means the slope is 0, right? Because there is no mx, so m must be 0. Okay, okay. Y equals 1/2 x take away. Uh, so so b is -2. B is where it hits the y-axis. So go to the y-axis and go all the way down to -2. All right. Now the slope is 1/2. That means it's rise over run. So you rise up 1 and you go over 2. Yeah. Now run to, no, not negative. Rise over to run over 2. Right there. So those are the 2 points for you to attempt to draw a straight line. So scroll down. Okay, and draw a line through -2, 0, -2. You see -2 on the y-axis? On the y-axis. Go all the way down to -2, right? And then you went up 1 over 2. Do that again so you can make your point strong enough so that they can see it. Okay, now draw a line through that. Okay, so go down to -2. Yeah, and draw. Okay, right. Okay, so that's the line. But of course, that's a line segment. If you're drawing a line, it go through it both ways, right? You know what I'm saying? If it's a line, it's going to go all the way through it. You drew a line segment and it hit the tube, but you want to do like rays, like lines keep going. So if you graph a line, what you did was right, but you just need to continue the line. It's like, yeah, there you go. And on the other side, it's a line all the way. So you go to the -2, you keep the line going. Okay, keep going to the left in the same direction, like it's a road that keeps going. It doesn't, it's not a dead end at the y axis, it keeps going. I don't know how to, here, I'm gonna take a screenshot of it and put it in there, and I'm gonna put it in chat. Okay. So I don't think I'm explaining it very well. Okay. So number three, uh, three is the slope. Whatever is the number that's attached to x. So, okay. Okay. You see what I did when right. You keep the line going. See where I put it in chat? See how the red part of the line, it keeps going? Oh, okay. All right. We'll just go on to the next one. It is hard to draw a map thing. It's not the easiest, right? Okay. So go to the next problem. I'll know that I helped you and that it's you got 100. You can't make it go. Okay, that's fine. I believe you. But I can't see the next one. There you go. Okay, so the first thing you do, Robert, is you go to that 2, which is b, y equals 3x plus 2. Circle the 2. Oh yeah, you're right. You're already on it. Okay, good job. That's fine. Right there is perfect. Okay, then the slope is 3. So that's the same thing as 3/1, right? So you go up 3. So go up 3 flights. Now go over 1. 3, right there. And then you connect those 2 dots for your line. So you go up 3 over, yeah, you start right there. You go up 3 flights. No. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. That's good. Okay, let's go down to the next one. Okay, so circle the -4. Okay, right. There you go. So -4 is right. And then do you know what that slope is? If it's a -x, do you know what that is? Negative means you go up 1 because it's rise over 1, up 1 over 1 to the left. If it's a negative to the left, right there. If it's a negative slope, it goes downhill. So you got -4, -4, 0, up to the -4, 0, up, that's -3. down to the -4. Right there. Yeah. So make a line that goes between those 2 points. Okay. So then for five, there's no B there. There's no y-intercept. I can't see it. So it's y equals -4/5. So plus B. So there's no y-intercept. So that would just be okay. So that means y is a horizontal line and it's -4/5 x. That's a little more than 1. So that's -1, -1 for 4/5. Oh, it's a little less than 1. It's almost 5/5, right? So it's a little less than 1, a horizontal line. Okay. So you're going to draw a vertical line right before -1. Yeah, it's just a vertical line. It's almost -5/5, which is almost -1. Uh, -1. Yeah, right before the -1. Oh, do you know what a vertical line is? Google images of vertical lines if you don't know. It's a vertical line right before -1. There is no B. It's just y equals -4/5 x. There's no B. That means there is no y intercept. Therefore, it's a vertical line. The question is, where is it? Where is it is -4/5, almost 1. It's almost -5/5. Okay, so so look up vertical line if you don't know. Here, you know what I'm gonna do is do the where I do this, and then I have to do attendance. I want you to be thinking about, Robert, who in this classroom can you take into and you all can volunteer. Who of you all could go in a breakout room with Robert, just one of you, and he help you like I'm helping him? Okay, since a lot of you won't share your screen with me, some of you have requested to go in a private breakout room, but I'm not supposed to do that. I can't like leave you in here. Although there is a sort of share. Anyway, I would like to be able to have the people who don't mind sharing so I can also teach. Okay. But I could send students in a breakout room with another one right there. See how I drew it? Okay, so I took attendance and let me see if anybody's willing to go. Okay, no. So not going to make you go if nobody's willing to. I'm just going to contact parents. Okay, scroll down. Oh, actually, I can't see what the next one is. No, isn't there one more? There's one more graph. Oh, no, no, that's the one that's horizontal. Okay, for problems 6 and 8, write the equation. So now we go the opposite way. We know that 6 is going to be y equals, right? So underneath 6 is y equals number 6. We have to write they give us the line. Now we write the formula. Y equals, all right. So we have to get the slope because that's m. So we start, let's see. Oh, okay. So we're going to go, it's a negative slope. So we know it's going to be negative. It's going downhill, not uphill. So we know there's a negative sign. And you go down one. Oh, I can't see it. Okay. You count, let's count down. Let's pick a point that's on the line. I'm going to show you. I'm going to cut this out and show you. Okay, so it's here. So I'm going to show you. We're going to go down to 4. Here's where it crosses over. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3/3, which is 1. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. Or is that 2? And 2, that's 2. 1, 2, 3 is 3. So that's 2/3. Negative 2/3. Okay, so I'm going to send this to you. All right. So that's y equals negative 2/3 x plus 7, which is the intercept. Okay, go on down. Oh, wait. Negative 2/3 of x plus 7. See, that's where it hits the y-intercept, right? Okay, and then over to the right, you have y equals y equals. Okay, the slope there, let me cut this out and show you. It's little. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like you go up 4 and over 1. So that's 4 over 1, which equals 4, which is the slope. So y equals 4x, 4x. Yeah, y equals 4, the number 4. It's mx plus b. I sent that. Did I not send you the where I showed you how I figured out the slope? Is that not in chat? Okay, so y equals, it's y okay, now I'm going to write it down for you because so y, the formula for the slope intercept formula for the line is y equals mx plus b. And the m here is 4. Okay, and then the b is where it crosses, which is -6. Y equals mx plus the -6. More times I gave to open chat, it breaks. Oh, it's breaking. What now? I'm sending this. Oh, it breaks. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Uh, you weren't you weren't seeing how to write 4x for some reason. Good news is I think I'm gonna stop there. 4x plus -6. Okay, so perfect. All right, so you get to submit it. That's all we're doing is through problem 7. We're not gonna do the rest. That's all we're gonna do. And go ahead and submit. Okay. And I'm gonna do that so I can help somebody else. Uh Robert, I'm gonna put you in, if I put you in a breakout room and I put somebody in there, can you see if when you're in a room alone with them, they'll let you help them? How do you feel about that? If you don't want to do it, just tell me you don't have to. Okay, you can let me know. Okay, Quincy, can you share your screen? Okay, same here. Okay, no worries. What I want you to do is go back to your iReady learning pathways. If you have, you should have some work on your learning pathways. Okay. Okay. So let me go ahead and reach out to the parents I've already asked. Okay, where are we? Okay, so what I'm doing right now, oh, let me